Hello, nice to see you. Sorry about the bumpy ride. I forgot my little tripod, but I'm going to give you a proper video today because I'm flyering and trying to get some work for my Tomar tours. But I thought I'd give you a quick look round because it's great. This is a new feature, and I bring people here. Let me just turn you around. This thing here, I love it. So this is a water wheel invented by the Arabs. And back in the day, this used to be a farm. This is the island in Tomar. I also tell you why the island was developed. So this is it, really. This is for putting water around the farm back in the olden days. And this is the way that they got the water. This is a water wheel invented by Arabs. Of all people, that they were battling with them for 700 years. But a lot of the innovation in Europe comes from Arabs. So this is great. Look, it takes the power of the water or power of the river takes the water wheel around. It collects water in these vases and then it drops it into this gully. I'm getting wet here. And then off it goes all the way around what used to be the island, and this used to be the farm. How amazing is that? And talking of amazing, I'm not going to get up there today, but there's the castle waiting for you, and the main square and the river, of course. I'll do you some more a little bit later on, but I'll just leave you with this. Welcome to Tomar. This is where our tour begins most mornings, because this is who founded Tomar in 1160. His name is Gualdim Pais, and he was a Grand Master of the Knights Templar. This road is the Camino de Santiago, and it's named after the 15th Artillery. The 15th Artillery are still based here in Tomar. This is still an army town. Have a walk down. The Camino de Santiago is 360 miles all the way from Lisbon to Santiago in northern Spain. And most days you'll see pilgrims walking along. You also see a lot of cars. Around this corner is probably one of my favourite parts of Tomar. This is the Jewish quarter of Tomar and home to the old synagogue. Follow me and I'll show you around. And here we go. There's two buildings. This is the information centre, and below the information centre is a place where they would wash their feet. This place was built around the 1450s, and it's very important that it was built. I can tell you that on the tour. I ain't got time this time. So where we are, this is the synagogue. The 4 pillars and the 12 arches of the tribes of Israel. Welcome. I sometimes bring people here. This is the market. It's open mainly, or the main market isn't on Friday, but it's open most of the week. Have a look inside. But that isn't the only market in town. This one was built in the 1460s and is an old medieval market. Oh, and that's just a tray. And then there's something to be said about just walking the streets and just mooching. This is Henry, a very famous man in these parts. So, as you can see, there's loads to do, loads to see, and loads to feel and eat and drink, and you just love it. If you want a tour of Tomar, give me a shout. I'm sure I'm not stupid enough that I didn't put a link in this here video. We're up all night to get lucky. 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 We're up all night to get lucky.